From January to December, AI has changed everything. It's growing faster than the internet or mobile phones. Companies are firing workers. New millionaires are emerging. Billionaires warn of job losses ahead. And Nigeria is ready to join the race. According to projections, 300 million jobs risk disappearing globally. This isn't years away, it's just 5 to 6 years. Customer support, banking, retail, and more are in danger. Repetitive tasks and manual jobs are being automated. But here's the unexpected twist: Africa could gain more jobs than it loses. How? We have the youngest population globally. We rapidly adopt mobile technology. Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa have thriving startups. Global firms outsource tasks to Africa. Huge markets open for AI data training and robotics. Silicon Valley pays Africans to label data for AI models. Billions are flowing into our continent. Forget oil or real estate, the next millionaires will emerge from AI businesses. AI engineers, prompt creators, and automation consultants will thrive. Digital content creators and data labelers will lead this new class. But be aware of the dangers. Scams from deep fakes and fraudulent AI voices loom. Manipulated elections and job losses for unskilled workers could rise. AI can be a tool, but it's neither friend nor enemy. Now, let's talk about what Nigerians must do. First, learn AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Build digital income through freelancing or content creation. Start an AI side hustle with automation services or tutoring. Upskill immediately in areas like cybersecurity and AI engineering. Don't fear AI, use it as your weapon. Your phone is now a workstation, bank, school, and factory. AI will replace millions, but it will also empower millions. The real question is, will you be replaced, or will you rise? Join us at OB Expeditions Media for more Africa and AI stories. Subscribe now.